So welcome to another Forex session. This is for the 29th day of July 2026, and we'll be looking at the NZDUSD. Okay, but before we go into the analysis, do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out of any of our daily analysis. And this video is for educational purpose only. Now, if you have been following this channel, I did this analysis 2 days ago. I told us that I'm waiting for the market to retrace back to this level to form a double bottom. That when I see a double bottom, then I can wait for a break of structure and take a trade to this level. Or if the market break through this level, give me a good level of retracement, then I can take a trade to this next zone. Remember what I told us, that always trade from zone to zone. It gives you good risk reward ratio. Now, as you can see, this is actually what played out. The market got to this level and formed a double bottom and is giving us a bullish momentum. Now, should we start trading this pair now? No. Okay. So once you see an engulfing candle in your 4 hours time frame, go to a smaller time frame and wait for retracement. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Now, we are going to wait for retracement for us to actually enter this trade. What kind of retracement are we waiting for? This is it, retracement to this level. If we can get retracement to around this level, then we can actually look for an entry point. Okay, I think this level is okay. So if the market retrace back to this level, then we can look for a buying opportunity. So I'm expecting the market to come to this level, then go to the upside, or the market doing a deeper retracement to this level, then to the upside. So this is actually what I will be waiting for the market to do, some level of retracement. Now, I will not recommend you start trading this pair at this level. If you want to trade it at this level, your risk reward ratio will be so low. I explained something some time ago. I told us the reason why we should wait for retracement. Apart from the fact that it makes you to escape wrong trade, I believe just check the GBP USD and the Euro USD analysis for this same day. I'm going to explain it also. Another advantage of waiting for retracement, but let me just show you this advantage, one of the advantage of waiting for retracement, because this pair is actually playing at what I can use to explain it. Now, this is your target. I told us we should always trade from zone to zone. Now, if you are entering the market at this level, maybe when the market gave us this momentum, you are entering from this level, this is the best place you can put your stop loss. Now, as you can see, you have 1:206. That is 1:2. Okay, that will be your risk ratio. But let's assume the market retrace down to this level. Now, your stop will still be here. If the market retrace down to this level, your risk ratio is now 1:6. That is one of the advantage of waiting for a retracement. Let's assume the market retrace back to this level. Now, your risk ratio is 1:15. So all these are these are one of the reasons why you should wait for retracement. It gives you good risk reward trade. Okay, so that is one of the reasons. If you check the GBP USD and the Euro USD analysis for this same day, you will see another advantage of waiting for retracement now, because that's the current price action, either GBP USD or Euro USD. The current price action that is being played can actually explain. I can use it to explain the second advantage of waiting for retracement. So these are trading setups. So we're expecting the market to do some level of retracement around this level. Then we can look for engulfing candle. Then we target the next zone. Okay, so that is my analysis for New Zealand dollar USD. Let's watch what the market will be doing. Okay, so I'll be watching this pair. If I see the retracement, good and fine. But if I don't see the retracement, I'll go to another pair. So that is how you should follow your trade. 4 hours uh, break of structure. You go back to 30 minutes time frame. You wait for retracement. Now, when you see a good level of retracement, you wait for an engulfing candle that you can trigger a trade. Okay, so that is that for New Zealand USD. All right, see you in the next pair. Bye.